And we can, with the capabilities that 5G gives. And building out virtual networks is one of the most important things, I would say, which also makes mission critical, which is now coming into play, where in the past, everybody needed to have their own bespoke network, their own private network in order to accommodate it. And now we have something at hand that we can do private over public, use the public network, and still bring people further along. And then the focus is more business markets than the focus would be consumer market. But in order to do that, how are we going to capture that value? It's really not telling and selling that technology and explaining everything to our customers, but really ask our customers, what's your business problem? And at the moment that you really find that, and they explain to you what's happening, you are going to develop a couple of new applications based on these customer values.
One of the great things about moving towards 5G SA is the opportunity to move to a consolidated core in the data path. So effectively, you're looking at sending traffic and dealing with it twice. You look at a packet, you depacketize it, you do all the 3GPP stuff, and then you put it back on the wire, and off it goes again. And then you go to the ITF function, and it does the same thing with a slightly different flavor. But in essence, you're paying twice in terms of infrastructure costs. So the ability to combine it into a single, what we call a data path entity, is almost translating to a 50% saving in infrastructure when you consider that you're moving towards CNF-based technologies in 5G SA.
By having this new complex network, you are creating a lot of complexity. You are creating new different network layers. You are creating infra layers, virtualization layer, functional layer on the top of it. And these layers are based on different technologies. You need to be able to monitor, to process, to collect, to correlate all this information coming from heterogeneous sources, and you to create a coherent vision on this that gives you the best view of the service and how it is running.
We need to detect anomalies very quickly to that. So correct in an automated fashion the degraded performance, because these customers are really relying on that service, on that guarantee. They build their business processes around that. And I think in order to do that, you really shouldn't forget to build an ecosystem of these different partners and educate your customers. Not educate them on a technology level, what's all happening, but educate them on the possibilities, potential, which a 5G ecosystem with all these different elements can really bring. And I think that will bring a huge step in digitalizing a lot of business processes, and should be the next step in a digital transformation, where we play an important role in, but can generate a lot of value for all of our customers, including ourselves.